Okay. This is the creek which overflowed. So most of the families who live in Union Extension make their living from kariton business.
Kumukuha ng mga junk. Diba kanina meron sa ilog kumukuha ng bakal-bakal?
Oo, picking up scrap metal and selling it. And believe it or not, even if that's the only livelihood that they have, the parents are able to send the children to school. But, as sister says, ano yung sinabi mo kanina, sister?
Kahit sana yung mga bata, kahit walang laman ng tiyan.
Sana yung mga bata nang hindi kumakain. So, never mind if they don't eat as long as they can go to school. Only in the Philippines. Oh, kuya, ano yan?
Ukay-ukay po, madar.
Ah? Ano yan? Ukay-ukay?
Oo.
Ah, okay. Ukay-ukay means used clothes. In the Philippines, it's booming business.
Katulad dito, yung nakalap buhay nila.
Can't afford brand new clothes, go to the ukay-ukay shops.
Yan, ganyan ang hanap buhay. Yan, nagtutulak.
Okay, we made it. Hi, Diyos ko. Oh, bye-bye na uli.
Bye-bye.
Hello, bye-bye.
New Era School. The Union area is just a few meters from the convent of Sister Lani. And the convent is called Santa Rafaela Maria House of Spirituality. Their apostolate here in the Philippines is more of education and retreat houses. And this one is situated in Quezon City, near the
Gloria 3 subdivision.
near Tandang Sora. Malapit po ito sa Chera Pura. Yan. In fairness, ang init. And this is the barangay multipurpose hall where they brought the around, at the height of it, how many families, sister?
Ilan ba ang families dyan? Marami. Halos lahat ng nandun, nandyan eh. Lumipat.
Halos lahat. Di ba
Yung mga nasa
ilan yung
likod?
doon? 200?
Actually, ang population nila 300 plus.
300
Pero
plus.
200 plus more on children.
Okay. Oh.
Ano, may pasok ka na?
Opo.
Hello po. Hello.
Yung bahay nila yung nakatuwa doon. Hindi
Sure. Dito tayo sa linggo. Yan, under ano pala ito? Barangay Kulyat.
Barangay Kulyat.
Fire truck.
Malaki pala kayo lang. Yan sa kulan.
So every day, sister, lumalabas ka para mag-follow up.
Oo.
Every day, the sisters go out to follow up at the City Hall.
Yung sa City Hall, inayos din ng mga, ang tulong-tulong kami ng mga madre.
Okay, for building permits, ano ba yan?
Yung sa riprap.
Oo. And this is their convent.
Also, coordinating with the barangay captain.
Okay. Ganda nito sa loob.
Apostolate namin eh. Kaya hindi magaan yung mga tao. Nagawa ng ano sa amin. Kasi apostolate namin yung lahat ng baligid.
This is their convent area. Chapel. And the retreat house. Sister, thank you.
Oo, thank you din.
Tawag na lang po
Snacks
ako.
muna kayo.
Hindi na po.
Thank you ha.
Opo.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.